Many of us learn not to trust our bodies. We learn to push past signals, to doubt fatigue, to ignore discomfort. So if trusting your body feels unfamiliar or even risky, you're not doing this wrong. This meditation is about rebuilding trust, slowly, honestly, and from the inside out. Hi, everybody. Welcome to today's meditation. I am Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist, coach, and a runner. And I've created these meditations to help you repair your relationship with your body, especially in places where you may have learned to override, distrust, or second-guess it in order to keep going. Today is day 6 of week 7 in the Unliving Unmasked series, and today we're practicing something simple but powerful, trusting the body's wisdom again. If these practices help you feel more connected to your body, more confident in your inner cues, or more at ease with movement, I invite you to please hit that subscribe button to my YouTube channel. I share these meditations and embodied practices there designed to support nervous system regulation, self-trust, and living unmasked. Now let's settle in and begin. Find a position that feels supportive. You may be seated or lying down. Let honesty guide you, not posture. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and release it through the mouth. Let your body know you don't need to prove anything. Before we talk about trust, we ground. Notice the room around you, the temperature of the air, the support beneath you. Let your nervous system register. I am here. I am safe enough. I can listen. Now bring awareness inward. Silently acknowledge, without blame, that there may have been times when you didn't listen to your body. Times you had to keep going. Times you pushed through. Times you couldn't slow down. Your body adapted. It kept you moving forward. Let that be honored. Imagine gently turning toward your body and saying, I am listening now. You don't have to convince me. I'm open. Notice what your body does when it hears that. There may be relief or skepticism or nothing at all. All responses are valid. Bring attention to simple sensations. The rise and fall of breath. The weight of your body. The subtle signals of comfort or discomfort. These are not demands. They are information. Let your body know, I'm not here to override you. Imagine a moment later today when your body gives you a signal. Maybe it wants to stop. Maybe it wants to move. Maybe it wants to rest. See yourself noticing the signal and responding with curiosity, not fear. Notice how different that feels when trust replaces doubt. Now gently ask yourself, what if my body knows how to care for itself? Let the question settle. You don't need certainty, just openness. Take a breath here and imagine trust as a loop. Your body signals. You listen. You respond with respect. Each time this loop completes, trust grows. Slowly, steadily. Bring a hand to your heart. Let this be a quiet agreement. I will listen more often than I override. This is enough for today. As this meditation comes to a close, take one final steady breath. And remember, trust is not built by perfection. It's built by relationship. Your body has been with you through everything. You can let it lead. One choice at a time. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. If you'd like to continue rebuilding trust with your body through movement, breath, and presence, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share these meditations there, designed to support embodied self-trust and living unmasked. Thank you for choosing trust today. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.